Well, if the movies don't appeal to you, we're just oohing and eyeing, not about the movies. Katie Summers from 93.3 WFLZ joins me, as she does every Friday. But we were just talking about this great concert tonight. Singer-songwriter Ben Folds
I'm
performing.
so excited. And I remember when it was, I remember reading about it. And it's tonight. It's at the Strass Center. And he is performing with the Florida Orchestra.
Oh.
So they're, I mean, he's an amazing pianist and songwriter. So that's tonight. So I'm very jealous if you're going.
Because you're not going, but our producer
not.
Ginger is going.
Yes.
That's what she was telling us,
I
right?
have to live vicariously through Ginger.
We want to hear all about it.
Yes.
So the Tampa Greek Festival is also this week.
Yes, this is huge. This is going to be at the St. John the Baptist Church, South Tampa. So there's going to be food and music and dancing and all that fun stuff. So,
And you can go get your eyes on a real Picasso.
Yes.
A real, that doesn't happen often.
this is really neat. So this is the much anticipated exhibit that's opening at the Dali Museum, and it is Picasso Dali, Dali Picasso. So they are putting them side by side, so they're juxtaposing all their works, and I think that's really neat. I love that museum. Whenever my mom comes to visit, we always go.
You know, that's expected to be a full house.
Yes.
The whole time it's here.
Absolutely,
That's very cool. 'Cause the only
absolutely.
other place they're having it, I heard, is in Barcelona. So
Oh, really? See, I
you can
didn't
either
know
see it here in St. Pete or in Barcelona.
There you go. Very convenient for us.
And some Foley folks here? What are they? Foley?
The Foley,
Funny?
Oh, yes, the
Funny
comedians.
folks.
Yes.
I messed that up, didn't I? Sorry about that.
I was like,
Can
wait
I
a
blame the
minute.
producer?
Yes, we have
Funny
comedians. Yes, Lisa Lampanelli,
Oh.
who is hilarious. I've seen her before, and Ron White. She is at Ruth Eckerd. He is at the Strass Center. That's tomorrow.
I've never seen her. I've seen Ron White.
And then,
He's good.
yes.
But they're both, you better brace yourself, right? It's not politically correct. what
Not
they say.
at all, but that's good.
Yeah. And finally at the zoo?
Zufari, this is awesome. Have you gone to this before?
No.
Okay, it's at Tampa's Lowry Park Zoo, and it's all these area restaurants, and they do food samplings, and then there's bars, and there's live music. And
And you're a judge?
I'm a food judge. And you know I like to eat, so I'm all about this. I'm like already working on, you know, just little starvation mode, so I'm ready to try everything as much as I can.
Have
So
you
it's
done
really
this
fun.
before?
I did it last year.
Oh.
I had desserts.
So they invited
I
you
did.
back.
They did. She
good.
ate everything. Bring her back.
Next year, get me in there.
I got you.
All right, time now for a look at your football.